Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cocos token. The price line of Cocos rallied very well after breaking out a very big channel on the weekly time frame. Right now the price line is having some correction, and in today's video I want to show you how the price line can have another powerful bullish reversal move from here. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And let me show you first the channel that Cocos broke out. You can see that we had some rejection points here. Like for example, we had first rejection here on this candlestick. Then we had another rejection. Then we had another rejection. And here we had another rejection. And this was the final rejection we had on the candlestick that was started on 25th of October. And finally, the price line broke out this resistance of the up channel on the candlestick that was started on 15th of November. And this was the support. And above this resistance of this very big up channel, we also had a very strong resistance, or you can call it as a key resistance for a very big move that was approximately at $1.80. And if I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that while breaking out, here we had some rejections. Like we had on the 4-hourly candlestick 1 and 2 rejections from $1.80, and the price line finally broke out this resistance here and started a very big move. And right now the price line after this very big move is having some correction, and you can see that the price line is dropped at this very strong resistance of $1.80 and tested this resistance as a support. And now on the weekly time frame, we are having another green candlestick, a bullish candlestick appeared, even though this is not as that much powerful bullish candlestick like we had previously while we were having these rallies, but it can be turned more bullish. I'll show you why we are expecting this. Now, if we take a look on the daily time frame chart, then the price line after this test moved up and again moving down to test this support again on the daily time frame and even on the weekly time frame as well. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame again, then here the price line has also formed a falling wedge pattern that is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. After this rally, the price line dropped down here, found a support, moved up again, and here the price line found a resistance and again dropped down here. We had 2 more touches here, and we had 2 more touch points here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 touch points at the resistance, and 1, 2, 3 touch points at the support. So the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. So there is a very high probability, if the price line is testing the resistance more than support, so it will break out the resistance. Now, if we take a look at the RSI on the 4-hourly candlestick, then we can see that here the price line formed this high, and the next high is lower than previous high. But if we take a look at the RSI on this 4-hourly candlestick, then we can see that the RSI below this high has formed this high, and the next high is higher than previous high, but the price line formed higher, lower than previous high. That is a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly candlestick, and we can expect that the price line can soon follow this signal and it can break out the resistance of this falling wedge as well. And in case of breakout, the price line can imminently move up to this resistance. The next resistance we have here approximately at $5.45, and if the price line will be able to break out this resistance, then it can start a very long-term powerful bullish move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.